that people are most interested on LinkedIn. Number one by far is leadership. People are interested in leadership content. You've got to think about business-related stuff. And at the moment, because hashtags are still relatively new, you need to use very broad hashtags. The only time that I would use specific hashtags is if you want to create a library of content. One of the most difficult things that content creators find is coming up with new ideas to post content all the time. Do you imagine like trying to post content every day and you just got to think of a new idea every day? I mean, I wouldn't be able to do that. It'd be very difficult. So what I would suggest doing is you come up with like what I call content pillars, I guess. I have 2 of them, which I use. And I've got an interview series called LinkedIn Heroes, where I interview entrepreneurs that are making an impact. I release a video every week. And so every week there's a video released of me interviewing an entrepreneur. And that's one bit of content that's, I don't have to think about it, it's done. And then I've got another hashtag which I use called Ask Nat. And basically it's people in my network that ask me questions about marketing. And so what better way to find out what people want to know, what content people want, than to ask the community. And I use the hashtag, I'll make the video about it, I don't have to think about it. All right, so there's a couple of ways that you can come up with content ongoing. But yeah, and then you use the hashtags to find it. So if somebody clicks on the Ask Nat, they'll see all of the videos that I've done about that from the past. That's the only way at the moment for you to access a library of historical content on LinkedIn. And then, like, I repurpose my stuff on YouTube because it's up there forever and a day. But on LinkedIn at the moment, like, if you just post something and you don't use hashtags or anything like that, after a couple of weeks, it kind of just disappears into the newsfeed. And if somebody doesn't look at it for a few months, it may even just disappear completely off LinkedIn.